Hello everybody and welcome back to your favorite Ford Maverick Hybrid channel. Here we are again, fueling up. Today is 8/26/22. We put in 10.76 gallons, $4.89. Much better, $52.72. So let's see where we at now with, turn that off for a second. 16,073 miles. Okay, so we averaged 49.0 miles to the gallon. You can see it's a full tank. And I'm surprised I didn't get any comments on my last video. So more than happy to listen to your comments and give you my best comebacks. All right, everybody. Catch you on the next one.